What's up, guys, and welcome back to Bukub Entertainment. So, as the wives of Musa Mseleko are like moving out of Mzumbe, there is a vacancy that is being left behind at the old homestead, and the houses are going to be remaining empty. And Musa Mseleko has a huge plan, for those old houses, and the plan is very, very solid. And it's to drop in Mpumelelo, to more of like revive the old homestead, and bring in his wives. Because as we all know, Mpumelelo is also has this vision of having this polygamous family, of having multiple wives and lots of children. So Mpumelelo is going to be needing so many houses. And the gift from Musa Mseleko to Mpumelelo are these houses in Mzumbe. And what that means, is that once Mpumelelo gets those houses in Mzumbe, Musa Mseleko will obviously be shifting away from those homesteads and will no longer be frequently be visiting those yellow houses. So this is a solid plan by Musa Mseleko. But I see a challenge here that there might be a clash with Mayeni, because Mayeni is insisting that I'm not leaving Mzumbe. So when Mpumelelo brings in one of his wives, they may have to share some of the houses, with Mayeni, which is going to bring in a lot of friction, a lot of tension. But even though Mpumelelo mother is Mayeni, I definitely see some tension there. And the tension, obviously, it will be because of Musa Mseleko's plans, not to do with Mpumelelo, but the plans of Musa Mseleko. That's the only challenge that I'm seeing with this plan. But I'll be happy if I'm proved wrong and they can live like happily together, because this is like the wife of your own child in Mpumelelo. So if they can live happily together, that would be amazing. But I'm seeing a huge conflict in the future. I'll catch you guys on the next one.